Hi, I'm Dr. Glenn Simmons. I'll be instructor for Public Safety Administration 440 Research for Public Safety Administrators. Welcome to the class. I look forward to having you in the class. This is, as you know, a 5-week class, and we've got a lot of ground to cover. I've tried to make the course so that we cover things incrementally. In other words, you have a research paper to do. But what I've tried to do is work it out so that each week you do a different aspect of that research paper, and the research paper we do at the end. The course is designed to give you some good knowledge on research, on writing styles, on how to format your paper correctly. I will be following APA formatting very closely. So anyway, I just want to give you a heads up on what we'll be doing. As you work through this, you'll be needing to start working on your paper, literary review, things like that. You'll see it's all there. And then also you'll be reading the book, and I'll be asking you questions from the book for you to answer as part of your quizzes. What we're doing, the discussion boards revolve basically around the development of your paper. And the idea of putting this in a discussion board is to give you a little bit of feedback from what other people are doing. So there's some peer learning. So I really would like for you to be actively involved in sharing with others insights that you see, strengths and weaknesses and so forth. I want to make this a very strong peer learning program as well. I'll be guiding you through it. To get started, I want you to go to the wiki, course wiki, which is at the very bottom left-hand side of your tabs when you look at it, and just do an introductory wiki about yourself. Mine is on there. I just looked at it a few minutes ago, and for some reason when I transferred it over, none of my, or hardly any of my pictures carried over. I don't know what's going on. We all have issues with Blackboard sometimes. But I'll try to see if I can't get that corrected. Yours doesn't need to be as extensive as mine, but just to upload a picture of yourself or something related to what you do. Tell us a little bit about yourself, and don't say anything that you feel uncomfortable saying, but just as a form of introducing each other. There's a place to make comments, so if you would go in there and make comments on 3 or 4 others, just to welcome each other to the class. Perhaps many of you already know each other, at least virtually online, so anyway, I look forward to doing this. Let me just say the 5 weeks this is a pretty rough 5 weeks because it's over Thanksgiving and some other things, but I'll try to take that into consideration, although I don't have a lot of control over that. Let me just say that I will be traveling. I'm leaving in the morning, and I'll be traveling. I'll be out of the country for about a week. I will have internet access, so I'm not worried about that part. But on the 10th and 11th, I'll be traveling perhaps most of the day. I'll be in airports and flying, and I will not have much access to my internet. I should be home by the 11th, so I can check on everything then. I can promise you that if you send me an email or message or discussion board, I promise to respond within 24 hours. I'll be checking my course every day. I know this is 5 weeks is quick to go, especially when you've got a major research paper to do. So do that. Also, I have on the course page with all the materials, I have about a 15-minute YouTube podcast like this one. Although the one I have there is on research, so you want to look at that. Also, I have some information about the OWL, OWL, which is to me the best online resource to use for research. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Welcome to the class. I'm glad to have you here, and look forward to having you.